I just lost my chain and fucked my foot up because of it. Fucking chain, dog. Oh, I don't even want to look at that. Alright, I kind of regret that. Nah, it wasn't that bad. Somehow I'm feeling great today. I climbed the one I never climbed, which is like my favorite trail, basically, to go down. Yeah, also, I don't really feel like talking, so I probably won't. Whew. For some reason, this little part is so tough. Oh shit, baby snake. That thing was tiny. See, I normally come from this way. The panorama. It goes all the way around like a mile. It's a little further than this trail, but this trail is like somehow just as tough because the fucking the steepness, if that's even a word. Oh shit. There's so many butterflies out right now. It's crazy. Tiny ones too. Don't trip out, they're so small. It's pretty sick. Like, well, I was feeling great. No, I was kidding. Oh shit, that was tough. Oh man. I might even grab some fucking water, eat. I have not ate today. I ate some crackers, some bullshit ass crackers that I shouldn't have ate, but they were good though. Oh shit. But yeah, get some water, maybe eat, and I'll probably come back. I'm not gonna lie. I could be gaming right now, but like, I don't know. It's way too nice out here to be gaming right now. I'll save that shit for the winter when it's cold and raining. Like, I'll literally get on the game and I'll just be sitting there thinking like, damn, it's warm outside. That should not be right here right now. It's bad. It's a good problem to have, though. I've been in it like indoors for like way too long. Also, kind of forgot my helmet. I came out yesterday, didn't record or nothing. I didn't even bring the helmet. Today I was gonna bring it, but everybody got home and I was trying to rush out. So I could have got it, but I said fuck it. I'll just like take it easy and get good. That would have been hilarious. Woo. That was dookie. Oh shit. Whatever's. Oh shit. Fucking right hand is kind of annoyed. Oh look, he's showing me the skills. Good shit. Thank you. Fucking gear decides to change randomly. What the hell? Dude, that bird was showing some skill. Alright. See, there is other people on the trail. I gotta be careful sometimes. I mean, on blind corners. If I can see, I'm going as fast as I fucking can. Because I know I got good brakes. Bottom like that. Oh shit. I don't trust that little corner. I don't know why. Every time I slow down, it's so funny. Had to hit the brakes. I need to bring my helmet next time, I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit. Oh shit. You know what's crazy? Yesterday I got a PR right there on the last spot. It's like split off into two. Once you get to the top again, there's a second section. I hit the PR right there yesterday. That shit is funny as fuck. With no helmet on. And then today I almost died 3 times. That's funny. Oh shit. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Fucking chain, yo. I need a drivetrain. I need to cut. No, I know what I need to do. I need to cut a link off of my chain. That's what needs to happen. Fucking A. Oh shit. Woo! Damn, you gotta trust your knobs right there. That's crazy. I still don't trust them on the first part. Fuck that. Shit is so sketch. Oh my god. Fucking bike throwing rocks at people. Chill out. Usually it's just throwing it at my rim. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat. I don't even know if I'm hungry still. It started and then it went away. Woo! I definitely need some water though. Oh shit. Quick little run. That was quick as fuck. That was a terrible run, I'm not even gonna lie. I probably won't even upload it, that's how bad it was. Oh shit. That was fucking terrible, dog. Title it, watch me almost die. Not really, but I bet it looks like that. Ooh. See, I would go set another trail, but like with the way I'm riding, I'm gonna get my helmet if I do come back. Fuck, man, I'm so annoyed. I almost hit that tree. Well, not almost, but like, yeah. I had to slow down and then, yeah, I went off the fucking track and everything. It was terrible. Horrible. But anyways. Whew. Assuming it gets posted, thanks for watching me almost die. I'm out this bitch, yo. Peace out. Wow. I just lost my chain and fucked my foot up because of it. Fucking chain, dog. Oh. don't even want to look at that. My chain fucking dug into my leg. My chain fucking dug into my leg. That's gonna hurt. Down to the white. Woo! It's gonna bleed. Ah, that fucking hurts. Well, it doesn't hurt, but fuck. Bro, my fucking dumbass chain. Alright, I'm done doing dumb shit until I remove a link. Because apparently that shit's gonna get me fucking killed. Fuck. Alright, I'm out this bitch.